We'll guide you through how to use Inkscape Ink Stitch to create amazing embroidery designs. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Inkscape on your computer and make sure you've installed the Ink Stitch extension. You can download it from the official Ink Stitch website and follow their installation guide if you haven't already. Once that's set, you can start a new project or open an existing design you'd like to convert to an embroidery file. Go to the Ink Stitch menu located in the menu bar and you'll see a range of options. To begin, go to Params to adjust the stitch parameters for your design. This includes setting the stitch length, density, and other specifics of how you want your embroidery to look. You'll find a preview option which lets you visualize your adjustments before applying them. Next, head over to the embroidery option in the Ink Stitch menu and choose Export. This will allow you to save your design in a file format compatible with your embroidery machine, such as PES or DST. Make sure to select the correct file format that matches your machine's requirements. Once exported, you can transfer this file to your embroidery machine using a USB or your preferred method. A helpful tip here is to always test your design on a scrap fabric before committing to your final piece, as this lets you tweak any settings without wasting material. This process helps ensure everything stitches out perfectly. With these steps, you're all set to create beautiful embroidery designs using Inkscape Ink Stitch. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.